In this video, I'm going to cover setting up a commercial account with rodent stations or devices to manage with barcodes. First, I'll go to my calendar to set up a new appointment, and I'll click an open section on the calendar. Temporarily, I'll move my mobile device out of the way. And for this example, I'm going to use our commercial food plant, set up a commercial service that will be weekly for the guest technician, which is the technician that I am logged in on the mobile. So this will be a weekly appointment for every Wednesday, ending never, starting today. And the duration for the appointment will be 4 hours. Start time is 9 a.m. And if I have commissions, test notes, or PDF forms that I need to add in, I can do so here. And then once I'm complete with setting up the appointment, I hit save. And now I can move my mobile over, increase the view so everybody can see. There we go. And I'm going to access that appointment and hit my refresh screen to pull this brand new appointment to the mobile app. Now that it's synced to the mobile app, I'm going to open it by touching the appointment and then scrolling to see the work order details, or if there were PDFs, and or just begin the service. So to begin the service, I hit start time. And once the start time wheel comes up, I hit the blue done button. And if there is chemical use outside of the device management, I can enter that in there. If I have to log in environmental fields like air temperature, wind speed, wind direction, I can do so there. However, for this demo, I'm just going to go right into devices. So I'm touching devices, and you can see all of the devices that I already have set up for this account. And when I want to see what has been already serviced for this particular service, if I hit the checked box, it will show me anything that has been scanned. Unchecked, obviously, are devices on site that have not been scanned. So when I am setting up a new service, I can actually hit the scan button, a new device, scan button, and I can scan any barcode. As you can see, it's turned on the phone's camera. And I'm going to move this out of the way. I have a little app barcode generator here. So that actually scanned this QR code or a barcode. And once that is scanned, it brings up add device. And from here I can enter in details like the building. We'll say it is the main plant. The floor could be lower level, ground floor. Location, I will say it's exterior, south wall. And it is trap or device number 32. And you can say 32 EXT for exterior, and then I'll say RS for rodent station. And then the trap type here are lists that you can define. So I'm going to say that this is a rat station. Once I've entered in all of my details, I hit save, and it brings me right to the device inspection. Now this is technically a new placement, so the trap condition is going to be new. Bait condition will be new. And if I have those in here as new, I can select it. These are again lists that you populate. And device or bait condition, we'll say new. And if you are reservicing this station and you had to remove it, you could toggle that button over for removed, but I'm going to put it back. Notes are here. So if I need to add notes that pertain to the specific device, so not really overall service notes, but device specific notes can go there. And then any material placed in the rodent station. So I'll say I put in 8 contract blocks. If you notice, my dilution rate is 1 2-ounce block. So my unit of measure would be units. My device is device. My method is baiting. And my target pest would be rat. My location is going to be exterior. And I will hit save. So that is logging in my device inspection. Since it's a new placement, there is no activity. Once I'm done and I hit no activity, I save the device inspection. And I can repeat that over and over until all of the devices on site are in fact established. If I am going back to reservice, once I hit the scan button and I scan over any of these barcodes, it will pull up automatically the device inspection screen and will not require you to add in details for each service. And that is how you set up a commercial account with devices to manage with barcodes.